Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove items from Uber Eats cart. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Uber Eats is an online food and grocery delivery platform created by Uber that allows users to order from local restaurants and merchants via mobile apps or web browser. Customers can browse menus, place order, make payment, and track deliveries in real time, while delivery driver pick up and bring the food to the customer. On my previous video, I've shown you how to create Uber Eats account, how to settings your account. You can check on my previous video on my channel. So now, what if you want to remove? Maybe you have too much of order or foods, too much item on your cart, and now you want to remove it. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Uber Eats. And here, for example, I will try to add some item to my cart. So this one, you can enter to your cart. If you want to add some item, you can just tap on the plus icon in here to add. Now you want to remove it from your cart. It's very simple, so you can just tap on the cart icon in here. Here's all the cart all the items on your cart. If you want to remove it, you can just choose on the items or products that you want to remove. This one, for example, you can just tap on the three lines over here, just on clear cart. So now you have removed that items from your Uber Eats cart. It's very simple, right? You can remove it one by one. Now you have cleared your shopping cart. It's very simple, right? So that is if you want to add more, you want to add another items, you can just tap on the plus icon or you can choose on the shop and you can add the items from the shop. So that is how to clear items from your Uber Eats cart. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.